Take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium, vinyl, remote keyless entry, with 2 transmitters and panic button, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 4.10 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, and the emissions: Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.